Your plugins are starting to hand real abilities to AI agents, the power to build, edit, run and manage your site, coming from everywhere at once, and today they all come together in one place that you command. Hi, I'm Alvise and today I introduce you to the Abilities Hub, the new command center inside Novamira. If you're meeting Novamira for the first time, it's the free open source plugin that lets an AI agent work directly inside your WordPress. Build pages, run tasks, manage the whole site. Not just suggest changes, make them by connecting through MCP. And these are the controls, one screen with every AI ability on your site, grouped by the plugin it comes from. Novamira's own tools sit right at the top, and every other plugin you run lies up below. You see every ability your AI could use and you decide with a single click exactly which ones it gets. So now let's try Abilities Hub. I'm in my WordPress dashboard and I'll install a new plugin, one for example that exposes its tools to AI through the WordPress Abilities API, something for example like Yoast. So let's add it and activate it. And that's it. I haven't opened a single settings and now I'll go to the Abilities Hub and there's Yoast. It's already there with the abilities it just exposed, grouped on its own, listed next to everything else. And here I can manage them right here. For example, I can switch any ability on and off, and obviously I'll keep Yoast's on. So now I switch over to Claude Desktop and I'll ask what it can do to my site. And there it is, the ability Yoast just exposed, ready for my AI to use. So basically I just added the plugin and Novamira did the rest. And this only gets stronger. As more of your plugins adopt WordPress Abilities API, their tools land here automatically. Every new capability in the same place under the same control. As I already said in previous videos, Novamira is built for your staging and development sites, and when it's ready, you promote to production. Every AI ability on your WordPress site, one command center connected straight to your AI with nothing and no one in between. The Abilities Hub is here now, and you can get it downloading Novamira, which is free and open source, and you can find the link in the description. And we've come to the end of this video. Thank you as always for watching this, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on new content about Novamira. See you next time!